Welcome to the Smart Transfer app tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to clone data from Android to iPhone. Download the Smart Transfer app on your Android and iPhone devices from the respective Play Stores. Tap on the clone module. Tap Continue. Tap Send on the Android device and Receive on the iPhone device. Type the activation code shown on the receiver, the sender device. Grant location permissions on the sender. Make sure that the Wi-Fi connected on both devices is the same. Accept connection request on the receiver. Select all the content you wish to transfer. Based on the content you have selected, grant all the relevant permissions. After granting permissions, tap Continue. Then tap Start Transfer. Allow the relevant permissions on the receiver device. Once all the permissions have been granted, the cloning process will begin. Once the transfer is complete, press Continue. You now have all your selected data onto your receiver device. Smart Transfer is available on Google Play and Apple App Store.